Okay, let's start with the heel. Very good. Very good. Puppies come. Good. Let's get two puppies to sit. Lulu, sit. Good. That's a good sit. Cruz. Those are good downs, but I need you guys to come. Very good. This way. Can I get some spins? Spin. Oh, very good. Can I get some puppies to... That's very good, but I need you to come. Can you twirl? Oh, is he in your way? Twirl. Very good. Cruz. Cruz. Twirl. Come. Striking. Twirl. Twirl. Good boy. And do it down. Good boy. Lilo, you can do a bend. Good bend. Very good. Okay, sit. Sit. Good. High five. Good girl. Give me a pound. Good girl. Cruz. Sit. Good boy. You give me a high five? Good boy. And that was good for you too. Good puppies. Come. Give me puppies to come. Very good. Lulu, can you speak? Speak. Good girl. Cruz. Do that down. Do one more down. Down. Good boy. And we're all out of treats.